My name is Dan Lofgren. I work here at BrainLit as product manager. Here at BrainLit, we have developed an installation process we call 5CC, 5-click commission. By using a wireless light switch and pressing on 5 times, we activate an address mode in the system. That allows us to easily include both luminaires, other light switches, or a motion sensor. We have seen a reduction of installation time up to 45% compared to other similar systems on the market. We achieve that by using wireless light switches and motion sensor, so there is no need of adding cables in the wall or the ceiling. Also, between our luminaires and the control system, we're using a quick connector that will reduce the installation time.